life history of Haridas is that he was born in a Mohammedan family. Somewhere or other he became a devotee and was chanting 300,000 times. 300,000 times. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu made him Acharya, the authority of chanting. Therefore, we glorify him. Namacharya Haridas Thakura ki jai. But he was made the Acharya, the authority of chanting Hare Krishna. And then when Lord Chaitanya took sannyas, Haridas Thakur desired that, my dear Lord, you are living nowadays, then what is the use of my life? Either you take me, let me die. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, no, why shall you die? You come with me. So he took him to Jagannath Puri. At Jagannath Puri, because he considered himself born of Mohammedan family, he did not enter. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave him a place at Ashinath Mishra's house. And there he was chanting, and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu sending him prasadam. In that way, he was passing his day, and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu used to come and see him daily. And one day he died like this. Particular incident is significant that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was a Brahmin and he was a sannyasi, but according to social custom, he should not touch even a Mohammedan. But this Haridas Thakur was a Mohammedan, and as his death, he took the body himself at dawn, he put him in the graveyard and distributed prasadam. And Haridas Thakur, 2-3 days he was not well. Chaitanya, because he was Mohammedan, he did not enter the temple of Jagannath temple. He was devotee, he never mind why he should create some row. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu appreciated his behavior. He did not want to create any, because he has become devotee. Forcibly he was not going to the temple. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself was daily coming and seeing him. While going to take bath in the sea, he first of all see Haridas. Haridas, what you are doing? Haridas will offer his respect. He sit and talk for some time. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu will go to take his bath. In this way, one day when he came, he saw Haridas not feeling very well. Haridas, how is your health? Yes, sir, it is not very rough body. Then the third day he saw that he is going to leave this body today. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu asked him, Haridas, what do you desire? Both of them could understand. Haridas said that this is my last stage. You kindly stand before. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu stood before him and he left his body. That after that, the body was taken by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself, and other devotees took him to the seaside and dug his grave here. That grave is Haridas Thakur Samadhi, tomb. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu began to, that was the ceremony. Because it's not ceremony, everything is with kirtan and dance. So that was the last ceremony of Haridas.
You mentioned something about dancing with Haridas.
Yes, with body, a dead body. Haridas is a dead body.
Oh, with his dead body?
Yes, dead body.
This is after his death.
After his death. Haridas was alive, he was dancing. But after the death of Haridas, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself took the body and began to dance with kirtan. That means his funeral ceremony was conducted by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself. He took the body to the seaside and
he conducted the
ceremony. Kirtan is always there. And after there was distribution of prasadam and kirtan,